I know y'all don't know what paint correction is, so I want the people to learn words that they use with me that kind of gets me up there when they get an attitude with me. It's a quick way to make money, but you lying. And now you got people thinking they out here getting details for $65. Like, I be like, if you're talking about detailing wise, and that was paint correction for people that know. And I want to say this right now.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
I know y'all don't know what paint correction is, but please understand old school term words, that's waxing and buffing. So I want the people to learn words that they use with me that kind of gets me up there when they get an attitude with me. Like, it be people come to me saying they want a full detail, and they just don't understand in a full detail.
That's like backs, right?
Full detail means everything, like how you said, clay ball, engine cleaning, ceiling cleaning, deep cleaning in the trunk. It's just everything you can think of. I might even have to take your seats out sometime if you give me the right pay. But I tell people, like, these detailers is really messing up the detail word. I don't care what nobody say. Keep it correct. You get what I'm saying? When I first came in the game, I really wasn't talking about no detailing. I'm telling people I want to come wash your car.
Yeah.
I'm not no detailer. When you start using all these, come get a detail or come get a full detail or come get just certain stuff, you messing up the game, because now when you like, say if somebody charging $100 and saying they doing a full detail, you ain't
doing a full detail.
Nah, you not.
Yeah.
Sometimes full detail even include dyeing seats, dyeing floors, just to make that customer more comfortable. But people don't know that, because they be thinking like, oh, I'm finna just get in the game and say this. You not no detailer, G. Like, I've been telling, but like, you not no detailer. I was told I wasn't no detailer. So I'm gonna tell you wasn't a detailer. And I had to humble myself before getting mad at that person before they said something to me. Cause just cause somebody say something to you in a certain way don't mean they trying to, you know what I'm saying, bring you down. It's just letting you know, like, bro, you not no detailer yet. You know what I'm saying? Stop messing up the game. Stop putting these numbers up here then saying you gonna do this. You not doing all that. Then when they come to me, they thinking it's supposed to be a certain price. Gone and go to them. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Because I know my worth, and then I know that eventually that right customer gonna come in and give me that right money. You get what I'm saying? And then one thing about me, I really go hard. Right. I would spend 5 to 6 hours on your wheel just because I want to get it back to where it gotta be. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But that's me. Yeah. And the money makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So
absolutely. So you tired of these detailers putting out these false expectations or these false perspectives of a full detail?
I mean, I can't hate on them. I'm not hating on them. Right. Because it's not a hate thing. Cause I didn't do it. I'm just be honest. I never did it. I didn't do it. Cause it didn't make sense to me to lie to people and say I'm finna detail your car just knowing I'm finna just car wash it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm not hating on it. It's a quick way to make money, but you lying. And now you got people thinking they out here getting details for $65. Like, I be like, nah, like, I be wanting to like school them too, but you know what I'm saying? It's hard to come to certain people and be like, hey, I think, you know what I'm saying? So I just let people be, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna stunt. People came to me telling me I'm messing up. So sometimes I really be wanting to reach out, but I just don't. But I know one day we will. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's never like no hate thing. It's just keeping it 100. Like, we gotta stop. You know what I'm saying? And then if you really calling yourself a detailer, man, try to learn something new every day with it. So then you could teach. Like, I like teaching my customers stuff. Like, I got some sauce at the shop, G.
Yeah.
But ain't nobody paid me for it. You get what I'm saying? And I'm not using it until somebody pay me for it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's just point blank.
Hey, I feel you.
Hey, I think it's only one person that's gonna get it, G, and he just got a new truck. So shout out to him too, like, because he was like, he really want to take care of it. Yeah. And I really want to take care of it. You know what I'm saying? Just to show the world, like, what I got going work.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.